Hey, I'm Lee, an avid DIYer, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Ryobi drill for woodworking. If you're working on a project like a shelf, a frame, or even building furniture, having the right drill bits, settings and technique makes a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drill bits to use for wood, how to get clean holes every time, and a few pro tips to avoiding splitting, stripping or wobbling. Let's jump in. Let's start with the most important part, your drill bits. Here are the best types for woodworking. Twist bits, great for general purpose holes. Brad point bits, designed for wood. They have a sharp point that keeps the bit centered and prevents wandering. Spade bits, good for drilling large holes, great for cable routing or pipes through studs. Countersink bits, used to let the screw head fit flush just below the wood surface. Now here's a little tip. Brad point bits are your best friend for clean entry and accuracy in soft or hard woods. No more chewing up holes. Now let's get your Ryobi drill set up for success into drilling into wood. Set your drill to drill mode for holes or screw mode for driving. Use speed 1 for driving screws. This gives more control and greater torque. Use speed 2 for drilling holes. It gives you faster spinning and cleaner cuts. Adjust the clutch if you're in screw mode. Lower setting for small screws. Higher setting for longer and tougher screws. Now, if you're stripping your screws, lower the clutch setting. That click you hear means it's doing its job and protecting your wood. Let's do a quick demo. Mark your hole location with a pencil. Use a center punch or tap a small starter dent with a nail. This helps guide the bit. This step is optional if you're using the correct bit. Insert your chosen bit into the chuck and twist to tighten. Hold the drill perpendicular to the surface. Lightly squeeze the trigger to start till you get a grip, then steadily increase the speed by pressing down on the trigger. Now for deep holes, back out the bit every now and again to remove wood chips and keep things cool. Want to hide the screw heads? Use a countersink bit first, then drive your screw. You'll get a flush finish ready for wood filler or plugs. Now here's how to drive a screw like a pro. Switch to screw mode. Insert the appropriate driver bit. Again, as always, start slow. Let the thread catch. Drive the screw in straight. No pressure needed. Let the drill do the work. If it resists or starts stripping, back it out and drill a pilot hole first. Stripping the screws, slow down, use better bits or pre-drill. That's my tip if you're stripping your screws. Or use the clutch on your Ryobi drill. Here's some rookie mistakes to avoid. Don't use your hammer mode in wood. It'll destroy your bit and the wood. Don't drill too close to the edge. It'll split the wood. Now lastly, and one many people miss out, wipe your bits clean after drilling sap heavy woods like pine. So that's how to use your Ryobi drill for woodworking like a pro. If this helps you out, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe and let me know in the comments what are you building next. Thanks for watching, I'm Lee and I'll see you in the next DIY video.